Hi, this is NZDUSD and today it's Wednesday, 18th of January 2017 and the time is 14:11 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for my FXholics and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Starting from the monthly time frame, we see that the Bollinger Bands have formed a bottleneck. A funnel is about to follow, but the bottleneck is not very narrow, and it looks more possible that the price will try to make a bullish Kumo breakout on monthly than continuing lower. And for now, the active vector is the one from the median to the upper Bollinger Band, and we see that 250 pips is the remaining move till the price touches the upper Bollinger Band on monthly. On weekly, we see that the three Bollinger Bands are forming a perfect range, and we understand that the price wants to go up to the upper Bollinger Band for another 197, almost 200 pips. This confirms what we already saw on monthly, but for now we see a spike at the top of the last weekly candlesticks, so probably we will see a different picture on smaller time frames. And yes, on daily we see the daily is the highest time frame of the tradable ones, where we see Kitchen Sen forming a plateau, the current candlestick being bearish, stochastics getting ready to make a bearish crossover above the 80 level line, and that is indicative of the pair's intention to go down to the median Bollinger Band, making a statistical validation plunge, and that is going to be a move of 184 pips from where it is now. Of course, we will not enter from daily. It's too risky. We don't have the ideal parameters to enter from H4, because we can't enter long, we can't enter short without the median Bollinger Band going down. Ideally, we should enter short below the Kumo, and the risk we should take would be big, so we forget it. And we have a very nice bottleneck and a funnel opening on H1, and it's a bearish funnel. Let me see if it is worth taking the trade from here. I would prefer to have a Kumo between my entry and my stop loss, so M30 is the time frame of my choice. So when you see a strong bearish candlestick closing below the Kumo on M30 with the median Bollinger Band going down, upper and lower Bollinger Bands edges in a bearish correlation pattern, both parallel to each other going down or turned outwards, forming a funnel. Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen in proper bearish order as they are, but both below the Kumo going down. Chikou span, the green line, below past Kumo. The leading Kumo being bearish and hanging downwards, both edges sloping downwards, and stochastics confirming the downward move. Then sell at 0.7144, placing your stop loss above the Kumo, above the upper Bollinger Band, above the highest up fractal at 0.7221, and that represents a risk of almost 75 pips. And your take profit target can be placed just above the median Bollinger Band on daily at 0.7000. Now, although it's a set it and forget it trade, once all the criteria are met on M30, if you want to monitor the trade, do so from M30, stay in while the median Bollinger Band goes down, exit when the median Bollinger Band turns flat, and trail your stop loss 40 pips above its new Kijun Sen plateau on M30, locking your profits. The buy scenario, although it's rather unlikely for now, if you see a very strong bullish candlestick closing above the Kumo, above the upper Bollinger Band, above all up fractals, I would change the color of this line, with median Bollinger Band turned upwards, upper and lower Bollinger Band edges in a bullish correlation pattern, Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, and Kijun-sen, the blue line, in proper bullish order, both sloping upwards and both out of the Kumo, Chikou span having crossed above past price action going straight up, the leading Kumo both edges sloping upwards, being aggressively bullish, and stochastics going up, buy at 0.7228, placing your stop loss below the Kumo at 0.7149, and your take profit target in this case can be placed just below the upper Bollinger Band on weekly at 0.7374. If you want to monitor the trade, if all the criteria are met and you buy, stay in while the median Bollinger Band goes up on M30, exit when the median Bollinger Band on M30 turns flat, trail your stop loss 40 pips below its new Kijun-sen plateau, locking your profits. Thank you very much for watching the video, and happy pips!